Just one little COD game, then we hop on for it. I'm actually surprised that shit was under 15 minutes. Wi-Fi feel like working today, right? Alright. Just a little quick Call of Duty session until the floor finishes. Right. Playing games do slow it down, right? No, not really. 11 minutes. If it's slowed down by the time we finish this little quick match, we'll let it cook. All right, let's warm up for it anyway, bro. Let's get a quick 20 piece. Weapons I was using last time was so trash, bro. This new bundle I bought. Let me see if it lags. I'll do that. It's 10 minutes. All right. Plus 20 kills, man.
Team deathmatch. You're clear to engage any and all
over or under, niggas.
On your 6.
Oh, Wi-Fi actually feel like working. I like it.
Contact.
Oh.
Grenade, get back.
Where are y'all coming from, bruh?
Fire.
On your 6.
That's all niggas do is just sit inside of a building, bro, having corporate meetings. Camping.
Threats in the area. Running low. Thermal grenade out. Back to 100.
With the biscuits.
Walk. Taking that. Hostile.
Oh my gosh, bro. Yo. There's a dude right there. You could have killed him. What's the for? 8 minutes, not bad.
We've taken the lead.
Stun grenade out.
We've lost the lead.
Neutralized. You're clear. Reloading. We're on the same side. On your 6. Multiple threats here.
Hostiles launched a cruise missile.
Got him though.
Hostile SAE near your position.
Damn, bro. Yo, this team. Yo, everybody in this lobby is sorry as hell.
Hey man, shut your face.
Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. You trash as hell. Talking about shut your face, nigga. This ain't 2008, nigga. What the fuck wrong with him? Nigga, I ain't hear that shit dead ass in 6th grade, bro. Shut your face.
UAV in the area.
Oh my gosh, this M green, dude?
The enemy is gaining ground. Push them
That
back.
nigga don't get no damn. Same dude again. Gotta be a stream sniper. I'm out. What's it on? 5 minutes. One more game. That game don't count, nigga. That was a warm-up. I had trash teammates. And a stream sniper in the lobby to make it worse. Everybody in this lobby sucks.
Man, shut your bitch ass up!
You shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
Hey, look at my gamer tag, huh? You hella like that shit.
What? I looked at your gamer tag. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
I ate your mom out, bitch.
Oh, that was cute. Is this a new map? That nigga's gamer tag was dead. I couldn't even read that, but. Oh no, I played at this before. I ate your mom out. How you even think of gamer tag like that, bro? This ain't Call of Duty Modern Warfare in 2 days, bro.
Team deathmatch.
Alright, last game.
Woo!
Chippies with a
Pushing
biscuit.
mag. Throwing the stun grenade.
God damn.
The enemy's taking the lead.
Smoke grenade out.
Nah, gonna eat your dick, bruh.
What'd you just say?
Man, shut your bitch ass up.
Shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
Hit me, ho. Oh god, that's what I thought.
UAV alert!
Copy. UAV is on station. Recon online.
Grenade, get back.
I ain't getting no XP points this round.
Hostile cruise missile incoming.
Mama said knock you out.
UAV active.
Requesting recon.
Friendly UAV active.
Bro, like I emptied 5 bullets in your chest, bro.
Smoke grenade out.
What? Hand grenade and bullets!
Got contact.
Oh my gosh, we got all the sweats today, bro.
Taking fire.
This bitch about to finish. Fuck COD right now, man. Bitch ass fucking game.